Let's take a look at the typical motorcycle installation. So here is our Yamaha FZ6. The GPSCAN, or in this case RTKCAN, is here. We have the USB memory disk, power and CAN. Even though this doesn't have CAN, the Yamaha R1 IMU is connected to the CAN. So then we have a rear wheel temperature sensor here, and the antenna, of course, is here at the back. So that's at the back. In the front we have the Android phone. We have a camera. So now the picture in picture is active. We have RTK, so 4 centimeter accuracy, and the track is 557 meters away. So now in this case, since there's no CAN, I can have the lean angle here in the display, which is calculated from the GPS. And we are logging, and RTCM is working. So that's it. I'll record a small video when I'm riding, so you can see how it works.